Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tip video. In this video I'm going to show you what to do if you're in stop and go traffic or sitting in traffic and you see that engine temperature gauge beginning to rise. Doing as shown in this video will greatly increase your odds of getting to a service station or back to your home, so you can carefully inspect the cooling system to determine the cause of the engine overheating. When you're driving the vehicle at higher speeds, you have the ram air that hits the front of the vehicle, which allows the radiator and condenser for the AC system to remove heat with very high efficiency, even with the cooling fan not running. Most engine overheating problems occur usually in slow-moving traffic or while standing still. The most common causes are low coolant, a faulty coolant temperature sensor or engine cooling fan switch, a faulty engine cooling fan relay, as you can see right over here, a faulty engine cooling fan, a wiring problem, a faulty thermostat, one that's stuck closed or only opens partially, or even a problem with a cooling fan for the AC condenser. If you find a fuse that was blown, replacing that fuse will not correct the underlying problem. So the first thing you want to do in the event that your engine is beginning to overheat is to make sure the AC system is turned off. When the AC is turned on, it places an additional load on your engine, and the AC condenser, which is located directly in front of the radiator, adds more heat in front of the radiator, making it much harder to cool the engine down in the event that you're having a problem. You must turn off the AC system if you value your engine. Once you confirm that the AC is off, the next thing you want to do is roll down all the windows in your vehicle. The next thing you need to do is to make sure that it's set for fresh air entering the cabin. Do not leave it on recirculate, and you want to make sure the vents where the air is going to be coming out is going to be the top level. You do not want it on bi-level or the lower level. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take advantage of the vehicle's heater core. The heater core, as you can see in this image right here, is just like a smaller version of your radiator. It's used to heat the cabin, but in this instance, you're going to use it to cool down the engine. You're going to angle the air vents towards the side windows. Then you're going to set the thermostat to the highest temperature setting. Then you're going to set the blower motor for the highest speed setting. Once it's operating, you should notice that the temperature should no longer climb as long as there's enough coolant in the engine and the thermostat is not totally stuck, or you may be able to see the temperature begin to drop. Remember, when you're driving to the service station or to your house, do not operate the engine at high RPMs. Drive nice and slow, get to where you have to go, shut the engine off, and allow it to cool. This is something that I've done twice in the past when I've had an engine overheating issue, and it worked perfectly to get me back to my house. And hopefully in the future, if you have a problem, you'll remember this so you know exactly what to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to rate thumbs up, subscribe, and post links to this video on other websites and blogs. Also be sure to check out my video playlists as well. Thank you very much for watching.